Okay, what's up, mga bossing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Boy Bukas Toy Box. And here we go. This is Alvin again. So, how are you doing, mga guys, mga bossing? So, today is like a show and tell. So, I got a couple of comics here. At lahat siya nakakuha ko sa Dollarama.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Usually, nakukuha ko lang sa Dollarama may mga Hot Wheels. But, unfortunately, halos nawala na sila ng Hot Wheels doon. Saka yung mga medyo, mga branded na toys. But, fortunately, I found this one on the kids section or kids book section. Ooh, they got lots of comics books there. Everything is really cool. That's why I keep on coming back, but unfortunately they have, I think, very limited comics there. So, okay, ito na ang aking unang share, mga bossing. So, this one is my first one. So, it's a Battle War Ultimate, and yeah, so everything here, I got it for $4. So, I'm not sure if it's a good deal, so let me know, guys, if it's really a good deal or good deal. And I don't know why these releases make it so cheap. If it's really a cheap price. So let me know, guys. Just comment down below if you have any idea kung bakit ito mura. Or it is bakit makikita mo to sa mga dollar store. Yan, ganda nito. Sulit. And this one, the Warzone, the Infinity Gauntlet. So, medyo kakaiba siya. Very interesting. Thanos, yeah. Okay, so we got another one. Okay, so we got the War Zones, Age of Apocalypse. So, okay. I love this cover. This is really good cover for me. And this one too. Yeah, medyo na start ko lang basa ito. It's really interesting story here. And this one, medyo makapal siyang books. So, the Authority. I'm not too sure about the characters, but I found it interesting. So, and this from Wildstorm, so I gotta check it out. Wildstorm have a lot of really cool comics, like Image. Okay, so another one from Marvel again, Warzone, Spider Island. So yeah. You can still find a Spider-Man in a dollar store. pretty neat. A Year of the Future Past. X-Men. So, I'm not too sure if it's a series of books, so hopefully I can find the others. So, yeah, you can see. Hail Hydra, War Souls again. So, I'm trying to research na rin kung paano yung pagkakasunod-sunod niya. Okay, another $4. Okay, and Uncanny X-Men here. I'll also love this artwork here. And the last but not the least, this is my favorite one, also my number one book cover. Pretty interesting. I got Jaylee here, so I think I'm lucky to get one of these. I really love Jaylee's artwork from Hellshock. Yeah, I think I got 4 of comics of the Hellshock, and I think it's 1994 when he released that, and I met him in the Philippines, so I got some of his sketches with sign and number one comics Hellshock with his signature with autograph, so that's really cool. So yeah, I think this, if you ask me, this is my top 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 artwork cover, my favorite. Yeah, it's really cool. So there you go, mga bossing. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Smash the subscribe button and hit nyo na rin yung bell icon para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga toy haul. And please don't forget to like and share this video. And just if you have any suggestion, requests, or shout out, just comment down below. And I will try to reply to you as soon as possible. So there you go, mga bossing. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode. Peace out.